All right, we're over here in the GenRight Motorsports garage and we're getting this TJ prepped for our TJ to LJ stretch kit. That involves removing everything that was here. We're gonna get the interior out, we're gonna take off the corner guards and flares, we're gonna get the cage out. You wanna strip this thing down as much as you can to make it clean and easy for you to get to the body and the frame cut that's necessary. All right, we're getting the final stage where we've marked everything out on the interior of the tub so it's ready to be cut. Stripped everything off. This is as stripped down as you can get it. We're down to the bare tub. Everything's out, tailgate's off, and it's time to cut the tub right here, and then we've got the frame marked down here where to cut, but we'll do that after the tub is out of the way. So once everything's cut off, you take the TJ to LJ frame kit and start piecing it together. It's all puzzled and then welded together. All right, we're at the next stage. We've got the new section of frame tacked in here. We've put the rear corner of the body back on, put on the LJ tracer corner guard, and now started to bolt it into place. This opens up the 15 inches, so this is that little piece you're gonna have to put back in to complete where the top would mount. And it's really going nice. It's turning out perfect. Everything's going just as planned. The way the corner guard wraps in here, the reveal, how it sits on the rear bumper, everything looks great. This cargo bed area is a prototype, but the production version will have the fuel pump access panel built right into it. The entire cargo area section in now, and I wanted to show you how cleanly this fits in here. Obviously, it's not 100% bolted down. We just kind of mocked it up to make sure everything fits nice, but it really fit in here nicely. And I want to remind you that we reuse all these holes. They're already along the side to clamp in the entire inner fender and cargo area structure. So these have been lifted up. They're about 2 inches up further than stock. So you've got much more room on the inside. So if you need to, you can cut your fender wells even higher up for a bigger tire. And then as you come to the rear here, you can see that it is really super clean how it all fits in here. And we still need to put in the little 15-inch section of sheet metal right here to match, and those will get welded in. But again, it'll be sandwiched here and it'll look perfect. You can also then run a factory hardtop or soft top for an LJ on this, what was a TJ. For this build, we used two 15-inch sections from a factory TJ tub, but for the production version, you will receive formed pieces of sheet metal that match the factory tub from GenRight. GenRight. That gives you a pretty good idea on what it takes to do your TJ to LJ conversion. This one's in the final stages now. It's all about the little details to button it up, but this gives you a great idea of what it looks like. You can go on our website for more information right now and see all these different kits, or just call in and talk to our guys, and they'd be happy to advise you on how to best go about doing this to your Jeep.